Vintage is a platform for buying and selling secondhand clothing and accessories. When an order is completed, sellers need to print a shipping label to send the item to the buyer. This tutorial outlines the steps to download, print, and attach a shipping label. Steps to print a shipping label. First, ensure your Vintage account is active and the order you want to ship is marked as completed. Have a printer ready or know a local location where you can print labels, such as a print shop or library. Open Google Chrome on your PC and search for Vintage. Click on the official Vintage website from the search results to ensure you are on the legitimate site. Select your country so the correct shipping options and labels are available. Click Sign Up at the top right corner if you do not have an account, or log in if you already have one. Signing in with a Google account speeds up the login process. Check both boxes to agree to the terms and conditions, then click Continue. Once logged in, click the Messages icon at the top right of the screen. Locate the completed order you want to ship and double-check that the order details match what you are sending. Click Download Shipping Label. Save the PDF file to a folder on your computer where you can easily find it, such as Downloads or Desktop. Open the PDF file and print the shipping label. Ensure your printer is set to the correct paper size so the label prints clearly. Attaching and sending the package. Attach the printed label securely to your package using clear tape, but avoid covering the barcode or QR code. This ensures the shipping carrier can scan it easily. Take the package to a shipping drop-off point or schedule a pickup if available. Conclusion: printing a Vintage shipping label involves logging into the Vintage website, locating the completed order, downloading the label as a PDF, printing it, and attaching it to the package. The label must be clearly visible and scannable for successful carrier processing.